YouTube, what is up? So I have got the iPhone 14 Pro Max in deep purple. So I'm gonna unbox this thing real quick, and then I thought I'd do a little design comparison between the 12, the 13, and the 14. Well, more about those camera bumps, but let's get into it. Okay, so let's get this thing unboxed. So we have got the little pull tabs, and as you can see, I've got the 256 in purple. I don't know if you can see that. Somewhere there. It says it somewhere. So, nice white box. Giggity.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
And popping it open. Ooh, the deep purple. Yeah. That's kind of nice. And it doesn't really show as well as, I don't know, any of the iPhones don't show all that well as far as the color when it comes to pictures and video. It's more of a, you gotta kind of see it for yourself type thing. But yeah, I dig it. So what do we got here in the box? We have got, you know, your lightning cable to USB Type-C, and you've got your Apple stickers. And then you've also got no longer having the physical SIM in the US. They went eSim. eSim. Not quite sure how I feel about the eSim. That was horrible. Let's go ahead and peel this off. All right. Power it on. And then while it's powering on, we'll do a little quick comparison. So that's powering on. All right, I have got the 13 Pro, and I have got the 12 Pro Max. Now, you can see the different sizes, but those camera bumps, man, that is quite the difference in comparison. Especially when you go from the 12 to the 14. Let's take a look. Let's put them up on their sides. I don't know. Is that translating well up there? Is that translating well up there? Yeah, let's go ahead and get them all scratched up there, Ace. That'll be great.
Tis but a scratch. A scratch?
Maybe they'll stand on their sides. That's the different camera bumps there. Stand them up here. Yeah, they look a little bit bigger. Protrude out a little bit more. Ooh, how's that for a shot? Is that a cool shot? Does that look cool? I don't know. Okay, but yeah, they're all the same. Except, ooh, what do we got going on here? What did I say earlier? No SIM tray. These others had SIM trays galore. Wait. Oh, there's the SIM tray. Did it move? No. There's the SIM trays. This one does not have a SIM tray. All right, now that I've got everything set up, to a certain degree, I'm having a little issue with the whole AT&T eSim thing at the moment. I've got multiple lines, so I had ordered the iPhone off of a different line, and it's used to be just, you know, swap the SIM, but now I've got both of those numbers on my eSIM'd onto the iPhone 14 and the other ones without service. I'll have to go into the store. I tried to go through chat, but I kept getting kicked out of chat every time I tried to give them some information and, you know, swap. Anyway, a couple of features always on display, which it does dim, and then if you raise it a little bit, it'll come up and bring up the full screen. So, which is kind of cool. And of course, there's the pill cutout. So opening up the phone, one of the cool features is, of course, Dynamic Island. Let's say that you are, you know, starting some music that we can't play, but that we said we can't play as I turn it down. and then you just swipe up and boom, it goes up here, and then you can long press, and then it's like a widget, and you can pause and play, skip tracks, and all that happiness, and then click back. And then to go into the actual app, you just tap it, and it brings up the actual app. Now, also what you can do is you can have multiple, 2, maybe 3 things up here on the dynamic island. I haven't, played with it too much. I've been online with AT&T. You can start like a timer and start, and then throw it up there, and then boom, it splits it out. You got your music playing over here, and you've got your timer over here. Now the apps are integrated. I'm using YouTube Music. I've heard Spotify is integrated. A lot of the apps already have the dynamic island integration into it. If your app has a widget capability on iPhone, maybe that's what, they reprogrammed it to where it's like, okay, widget and dynamic island. So, a little bit of both. And then you can just go into here and you can go back into the timer. If there's any questions, or, like I said, I've got the 12 and the 13, and now I've got the 14. Is there anything that you want to know? I'm kind of looking forward to the 2000 nits at being outside, which I'm outside a lot. So that direct sunlight is really kind of an issue. So if you like tech and tech reviews and the accessories that go along with your tech, won't you check out this video? And a sub to the channel, well, that would be swell. Peace and love, y'all.